What are the environmental benefits of solar energy? Hi everyone, I'm Janjan and welcome to Maoneng Philippines Earth Month campaign. For the next few weeks, we are going to talk about solar energy. Yes, everything about solar energy. And by the end of this series, we will understand why the future is bright by switching to solar. Solar energy is a 100% renewable resource, which means it is abundant, inexhaustible, and free. Compared to fossil fuel, which is a non-renewable resource, it means that it exists in limited supply and replenishes very, very slowly. Solar energy reduces dependence on fossil fuel. Drilling for oil involves digging deep into the earth and interfering with our natural environment. After you install solar PV system, you will use less electricity generated from coal, gas, and oil. This lowers your carbon footprint and helps protect the environment. Solar energy is emission-free and a clean source of power. Generating energy using fossil fuel generates numerous pollutants. Once contaminants are confined in the air or water, it will worsen our environment and health. These emissions also contribute to global climate change. Thus, solar PV systems generate clean and emission-free energy. Solar energy helps fight climate change. We can decelerate climate change by decreasing our carbon dioxide emissions and releasing fewer toxins in the air. Did you know that a typical 1 megawatt capacity of solar PV system can avoid up to 15,000 tons of carbon dioxide emissions per year? Yes, this figure concludes that it will be better to our environment if we switch to solar energy. For a free quote and consultation, message us on our Facebook page or send us an email down below. To learn more about the benefits of solar energy for businesses and the environment, join our free webinar, The Future is Solar, in partnership with IIEE Metro South Chapter and Jinko Solar on April 23, 2022. See you there!